Welcome guys. So today we are going to be learning how to design a BTC investment website. If you've been following me for some time, you would have noticed that I've dropped a lot of videos on how to design a BTC investment website. But like I always say, there are different scripts for different designs. So this particular script is another script to design a broker website with. So if you're meaning to learn how to design a BTC investment website and you've been getting no luck, after today, you are going to find out how to design a BTC investment website from beginning to the end using a very powerful script that we just launched. All right. The video is going to be having two parts. The first part is going to be telling you how the BTC investment website, the script works, how it functions, so that you at least know what you're getting into before you start installing. Then after the first part of the video, the installation guide on how to get this script set up and functioning perfectly will be shown to you. So without wasting much time, let's get to the business of the day. So I'm going to pass the mic to one of my team members, Daniel Ajayi, to do justice as usual.
Hello, my name is Daniel Ajayi, and in this video, I will be taking you through on how to build this investment website. But before that, we also need to know how the user interface and the admin area was. But look at the homepage of the script. You can see how it looks, and the main functionality begins when the user logs in. So clicking on the login button, we have a login form to fill, and then we get into the user dashboard. So I'm just going to input some details. I already have them. Okay, let me adjust that. Then I am signed in as a user. Yeah, so you can see how beautiful this interface, user dashboard interface, is looking. From the user area, you can see your account balance, the total profit, the referral bonus, total deposit, total withdrawal, and all of that. That is beautiful. Of course it is. So tapping on the deposit area, users can deposit into their dashboard directly from here. You can just input the amount you want to deposit, select your preferred payment option, USDT, Ethereum. You can add as much as possible from the admin area. So just click on proceed to payment, and the wallet address set by the admin is going to pop up, and the user can make a deposit. All you need to do is just copy that wallet address, copy that, paste the payment proof, and of course click submit payments. Yeah, so you can see how beautiful that is. There is also investment plans. All these investment plans also shows on the user end based on how the admin sets it up. So you can select a payment amount you want to deposit into that plan, and each time you choose a plan, the details of that plan automatically appear at the right corner. Yes, it automatically appear. So when you choose the business plan, it's going to show you the minimum plan, the maximum, the return on investment, and how long it's going to take. When you choose the other plan, also is going to change and show you every details of each of the plan. Yeah, that is beautiful. Actually, it is. Okay, so that is that on the investment plan aspect. So let's go. This script also has profit history where users can check their history of how much they've made from this platform. There is also this beautiful part which is copy expert. Let's click on that. So this copy expert actually is you being able to copy some trades of some professionals. Those who really knows what it is, knows what it is. Yeah. So it is a means of copying experts on this website. So it actually also works. So a beautiful one apart from investment, you can also copy experts. The experts are created by the admin. Okay. All right. So now let's look at the admin dashboard. Let me just log in with the admin details, and then we get into the admin dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard where almost everything you saw on the user dashboard is being controlled. From the admin, you can view the total deposits, total number of deposits you have on the site, pending payments, total withdrawal, pending withdrawal, total users, block users, active users, and investment plans. It's the number of investment plans that you have. Don't forget I said you have numerous. So looking at our investment plans, you just need to head over to investment as an admin, click on investment plans, and you will see the available investment plans, which you can still add your own by clicking on that add new plan up there. So once you tap on it as an admin, don't forget you are in the admin dashboard. You can choose a plan name of your choice. You can choose a plan name of your choice, just name it anything. Then the plan price, that is always the maximum price, the highest for that plan, for that particular plan you are creating. So the minimum price to invest in that plan, you put it, the maximum, it has to be the plan price, of course. So the minimum return, you can decide the minimum return maybe 3%. then the maximum return should also be the same thing. Of course, now it has to be same. Then the gift bonus, each time they invest to this plan, you have a gift bonus you want to give to them each time they invest in this plan, just to make them happy. Then the top up interval, you can decide to top it up monthly, daily, hourly. Then the top up type, percentage. Then the top up return in percentage should also remain as the investment ROI. Same thing you shows above. Then the investment date, here you need to be careful. Each day you want to choose must be a number followed by capital letter D space, capital letter D and days. If it is month, it will be 1 followed by space, then capital letter M for months. Then if it is 2 months, that we have your month, we have to carry the word S. All right, so that is that. So then you need to just need to click on the add plan down there, and it automatically gets added to part of the plan. So let's head on to the next step. Let's click on manage users, active investment plans. Let's check our active investment plans. Let's see those that have invested into a plan on our website. That is where you see all of that. But we have nobody yet. So let's click on manage users. So clicking on manage users, you can see everyone on your website, everyone who has registered, and you can manage every one of them. So if you want to manage each and every one of them, all you need to do is to scroll to the right side using this, on your phone. You just swipe left, you tap on manage on that particular person. Then from here you can see if the person has verified their KYC or not. You can see their name, their email, their phone number, their nationality, and when they created the account. And you can also just locate the action button at the right upper corner where you can block a user turn off trade, credit or debit them. You can block them, you can send them email, you can clear the account, you can even log in as that user. That is so beautiful, don't you feel? All right, so you can also delete that user actually. So we also have manage deposit. If you click on manage deposit, you can approve and accept every deposit made by a user on your website. Yes, you approve every deposit made by that user. All you need to do is just locate that deposit, tap on the eye icon, and then you see the option to approve or reject. I have approved this one, and that's why nothing is shown here. So if you have not approved, you either see approve or decline. Yes, so that is that on deposit. So let's look into, you can also manage withdrawal though. You can manage withdrawal. These are the total number of withdrawals. You can manage withdrawal. And then once you get this script installed or you're working on this, you need to understand that there are some settings that you need to run each time you are here. Okay, there are some settings you need to run. But I think we've spoken about the copy trading plans, and you can also add your own plan. Those are the copy traders we saw the other time. Once you go to copy trading, you see the copy traders, and then you can add yours. All right, so let's go to, like I was saying, once you are installing the script, you need to locate the settings, and then the first thing you need to do in the settings is to locate the app settings, or the payment settings. So from the payment settings, you can edit your payment method where users pay. You can see the USDT. You just need to tap on the eye icon. You tap on the eye icon in the name, ensure the name is correct. Then the wallet address, that is where to paste that. And then the deposit and the type for the payment method. You want it to be just for deposit, just for withdrawal, or for the two. Of course, it should be for the two. And then you put your passphrase. That passphrase, how to get it will be given to you. You know that before the end of the video. So you put that and then you click on save changes. Like I said, you can add as many as possible wallet address and payment gateways. All right, so that is that. There are a lot of it actually. There's Bitcoin, there's Stripe, there's Paystack, there is Ethereum, there is Bitcoin. You can add as much possible as you want. So let's go to settings again, and then right now let's just tap on, all right, let's tap on I think is there anything we are missing right now. Let's tap on app settings. Yes, after you're done installing the script, you should be able to go to app settings. The website name is the name of the website, and the website title is the title of the website. Then the keywords, the website link is the link of the website. Then right here is where you put your live chat code. In case you want to have live chat on your website, just paste it there. And down here is where you put your logo that runs the website. That is actually amazing. You can control everything right from the admin dashboard. Then we have preference. You just need to change this place to your website email, and also do where to activate anything you want to activate, maybe the KYC, email verification, Google login, trade, weekend trade, and all of that. Yes. Then email SMTP is where you set your website email such that people can receive emails of investment, everything, always. All right, so you can see how beautiful this script is, easier to run from the admin dashboard. So here is how this script works, is how it was, and that is how beautiful it is. Thank you.
So installing the script, you must have gotten your domain and hosting. If you have not gotten one, you can check on Hostinger, Namecheap, or HostServer. Alright, so but it's necessary that you reach out to us to get your hosting and domain, because we know of the ones that are really compatible with the script. Alright, so let's get started. So just need to open your notepad and write some details, because we need to fill all these things we are creating. So the CP name, that's the database name, database user, database password, website name that you want to use, website URL. Just put that in your notepad just to save the details of your website. So now that our cPanel is open, let's proceed to create an email account. That's the email account that will be connected to our website. Okay, so let's create the email account. Then for this box, you can input anything, maybe support, info, admin, or anything, but I would rather work with support. Then set the password for the email. You can click on generate. It generates a password for you. Just copy this and then click on create. So let's go to our notepad. The email password, I will just paste it right here. Then the email itself, I will also copy it once it's done creating. So let me just copy this right here, and then I'll paste this. So for you to access your webmail, you can do that through your Gmail app, or you just use your domain name. The domain name you got, /webmail. This automatically takes you to just into your email. Let's just leave this for now, and then the website link. This is the website link right here. Yeah, and the website name, we'll add that later. So let me just add that once and for all, and that is website name, Bitcoin, up. Okay, so that was that for email. Now let's go back to our cPanel and search for SQL. Then you go and click on manage my database. So we are creating a database to connect our script so that it can run properly. So here, the new database name, you can just use any name of your choice. I will just work with it, and I will click on create database. Take a second. Alright, so the database is created. I am just going to copy this. I'm going to click on go back. I am going to paste it here, DB name. And I'm going to go back here, come to this user. Also use a name, might use the same name or something similar. Then I'm going to click on password generator. I'm just going to click on this and work with the first one I like. Click on use password. So you can click on create, and then you go back and paste the password. You can just have to save that. Then I will copy this once again. Copy this again and paste it here. Yeah, so I'll come back, last page here, add user to database. Make sure you click on the right database here, the same as when you created, and click on add. Click on add. Let it load. Click on this. Click on make changes. This will also take a few seconds. Yeah, and that is done. So the next thing we have to do is to go straight into our file manager and upload the script. Go to file and go to file manager. So after entering into file manager, you just need to go into public HTML and you are uploading the script directly here. So I'm just going to click on upload here. Click on upload. I'm going to click on select file. Select file, and I am going to locate here the script views. So So this takes few minutes to import depending on your network. So how to get this script would be, you can read through the comments or the caption below this video on how to get this script, and also before the end of the video I will give you more clarity on how to get this script. Okay, so while this is loading, I'm going to pause the video and resume it back once it is fully loaded. Yeah, so the script is uploaded, and you must ensure this is on green before you click on go back. And click on go back now. And then we need to click on this, right click, and extract. So click on close, click on reload to be sure that everything right here is done. Okay, so right now we are going to open our .env file, and you can see sometimes the .env file remains hidden. For you to see that, you just need to click on settings. So you just have to click on show hidden files and click on save. So automatically you have your .env file now displaying. This is the only file we are editing here. So I'm going to right click and click on edit, and also click on edit once more. So right here, I'm just going to change the app name first, and see the reason why I said you should keep the details. So the app name is just the website name. So I'm just going to be careful with this, place this here. Then the website URL, so I'm going to copy this, just replace it with this. Then the database name, database user, I am just going to copy all at once and use. So here is the password. This, then the username, name this, place, then the database name, I'm going to click this and replace. So now we have something here that you must copy, the passphrase that was requested, while it will be requested when you want to change anything inside the website. I'm just going to click on this and then click it here. And this passphrase, yes, just repeat that, and then I'm going to save changes to save my file. So that might take few seconds. So we can close that now, and then we go back to our cPanel, and go to our PHP My Admin. So from the PHP My Admin, we need to import the database of the website. So you go to PHP My Admin, click on that. So right now in the PHP My Admin, tap on the database that we have created. You tap on the name, which is invest. Then you give it a few seconds to auto load. All these things is dependent on your network and the kind of hosting you are using. So after it has loaded, you click on import, and then you click on choose file. How to get this SQL database file will also be shown to you. So this is the SQL file right there, the one that ends with SQL.5. So I'm just going to tap on that, and I will scroll down and click on import. Alright, due to my network, this is running a blank page, but I must tell you that the PHP My Admin has been installed. This database has been installed. So right now, we can visit the website to see if it is working. So if everything is set well, everything needs to be working. As you can see, this is supposed to just show me what I have installed. So this is the network setting. Let's just visit the website. If it is installed, the website is really going to work very, very fine. Alright, so as you can see, this script has been installed, and this is our website loading very, very, very fast. So for us to see the admin and everything, you can see the logo is every other thing. It's not displaying yet. We need to log into the admin and click start. So I'm just going to go here and add this URL. The URL to the admin. The domain name /admin login, another /admin login. So let me just copy this, enter it, and go back to details and paste it right here. So the default login details is admin@admin.com, and the password is admin123. Okay, so just going to put that password. We only have a few things to edit from the admin dashboard, just like I've explained earlier, so I'm going to be a bit fast about that. So now we are logged into the admin dashboard, and from here we are quickly going to run few settings like I mentioned earlier. I'm just going to go to the settings, to the app settings. So here we are going to change the website name as I mentioned earlier. Do this to replacing and here is the website link. If you replace this with your website link, and I'm just going to add that here, and then I'm going to add the logo. Add the logo directly here. I have the logo for the site already. I'm just going to pick that. Okay, take the second one. So if you have a live chat, live chat code, if you register with a live chat company, they will give you some code. You can just add the code directly here and start working for your website. I'm just going to click on update. So once that is done, I am going to also set up the SMTP immediately as mentioned earlier. Okay, so proceeding, I am going to come to preference, and here I'm going to replace this with the website email. So once again, I would copy the email here and paste here. Then I can leave every other thing off for now and decide to turn it on your own end. But right now, I'm just going to leave this as it is. Then I will go to the SMTP area. So I will set up the SMTP. So click on email SMTP and make sure you tap on SMTP here. So SMTP, I am going to paste my email, the email username here. Then I'm going to get the email password, also paste here. Every other thing here is the email that I created, support. So I'm just going to tap on the payment settings. Tap on the payment settings as we set the payment method, and I'm just going to go to bank transfer, and then I am just going to disable this, disable for both, and then I'm going to put my phrase, and then I'm going to click on save changes. So the USDT option would now be disabled on the site. So I can go to back, and then you can continue to edit each of all these payment gateway you don't want. All right,
so this is how to install the script. So but please do well to check out the file that is being sent to you. You will see a file named cron. You will see a file named cron there. Check through the file. Once you download the script file that will be sent to you, just check through the cron file, the particular cron file inside the script after you've extracted, for you to see more information. Thank you.